Does your phone make random sounds every time you tap, lock the screen, or plug in your charger? Annoying, right? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn the touch sound, screen locks, and charging sound on or off on any smartphone, whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy like mine, a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone. Stay with me to the end because I'll be showing the steps for all major brands, and you don't want to scroll away before I get to yours. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone whose phone sounds like a music studio. Let's dive in. So this step basically is like the same for all Android phone basically. So you go to settings, and you scroll to sounds and vibration, and you go to system sound slash vibration control, or some will say system sounds or other sounds. So I don't know how your phone has it. So system sound and vibration, that's system sound, system vibration. Oh, I'm sorry. So you go to system sound. On some phone you will say vibration control, or some will say other sound. So you tap that and you toggle on or off the touch interaction, the dialing keypad, the Samsung keypad, the charging, or the screen lock or unlock. You toggle this on and off to disable those annoying sounds. But just in case if your phone is different, in some versions may have this under advanced settings. You go to advanced settings and then system sounds, but they're basically the same across all these major brands. And for iPhone, you go to settings, sounds and haptics, lock sound. To turn off lock sound, scroll down and turn off lock sound. For charging sound, you do them separated. iPhone doesn't offer a native toggle, but you can silence it by switching your phone to silent mode. For touch sound, that is keyboard clicks, scroll down and toggle off keyboard clicks. And that's it. Whether you're team Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or Apple, now you know how to control those little system sound, and make your phone feel more personal and less noisy. Let me know in the comments what other settings you want to master. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Someone out there needs it.